morning, viewer. Welcome to our Glory Globe TV as a breaking news. Yeah, scientists have sought to capture the first days of how a person comes to be by recreating those trolley movements in a lab via models made up of induced pluripotent stem cell or iPSCs. Instead, pluripotent stem cells are cells that are modified to have the ability to become any cell in the body, much like the stem cells in a developing embryo. Creating three-dimensional realistic embryo models was the first hurdle, and the next hurdle is examining them to figure out what happens as the embryo develops. A paper from the lab of Jianping Fu, PhD of the University of Michigan Medical Schools, uses artificial intelligences, commonly referred to as AI, to uncover hidden features of this process. Experimental systems like the one Fu and his team originally developed in 2017 and generated by other teams since are hard to study because they are heterogeneous, meaning there are many different and random features explained for. We see very different cell types and structures within the culture, so it can be hard to make sense of what we are seeing set for. Traditionally, one way to overcome this is to examine the samples at specific points in time and average how they change over time. Building from previous work, Fu's former graduate student Kaji Chen, PhD, proposed using AI to analyze the culture data. Yes, I happen to see several papers about using AI models, that is, physics informed neural network, to analyze the images of plants, and these papers showed very promising results about how to apply neural networks models to study plant growth dynamics and factors that cause well known plant diseases. Inspired by these works, I immediately thought that I should try these methods for my research, said Chen. With the exclusive report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.